Are you struggling on making money online and you have been watching countless amount of videos on how to make money online? Well, today is your lucky day because I'll be showing you something which I recently discovered, and this is 100% effective. When I realized that this method really works, I immediately thought to making a video about it so that I could share it with you. I think it is by far the easiest way to make money online, and you don't need to have a complex tech skills in order to do this. You can do this on your computer or on your phone, and this is available to everyone around this world. Take a look at my earnings from this method, which I will share with you. Today I was just doing this for a short period of time, and I was able to make this amount of money that you can see right here. All payments made to my account, and in this video I will show you how you can earn like this. But before we start, welcome to Discover Uniques, where we teach you how to make money online in a unique way. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. When you do a few calculation using this website information, you can easily estimate how much money you can earn from this brand new opportunity. Look closely at this rate per word, which means how much money you can get paid per word that you type. Our page contains 300 words, which equals 5 cents in dollars. Check out this typing name project right here. This is page number 1, and over here this is page number 2 and also page number 3. Each of these pages can get you paid by simply typing names. That is a page that will pay you $15, and the total word count is 300 words. Take a look at this, $15 per page, and you can receive up to 27 to 30 pages daily, which means you can easily earn up to $600 or more per day by simply typing names on this website, and this is a very good earning opportunity. The first website that we'll be using to make money online in this video is talentwizard.com. With this website, you don't need to invest anything to get started. It's 100% free. We're going to focus on online typing jobs. When you scroll down below, you can see that they are offering different opportunities to work from home as well, including online proprietors jobs, freelancing, blogging, online pages surveys, language translator, and there are other projects that you can do. But our focus in this video is typing names because it requires no experience or tech skills. You can go ahead and click on this red button right here for more information. Now when you come over here, it shows you that you can earn $16,800 up to $3,600 annually. It's a very good earning opportunity for people. It works all wide, no sign up fees whatsoever. There are no hiding costs before or after joining and no form of investment at all. You can also be paid different rates ranging from beginners up to the experts. I'll give you a special bonus tips that can help you to earn higher rate later on. But even if you're a total newbie, you can be earned like an and I'll show you how. The first website we will use in this video is datatype.com. This is the homepage of the website where you can take a free typing test. I want you to click on this yellow button right here and you will be redirected to this page where you can start typing using a phone or using a computer. Click on the start typing now and click on this yellow button right here. And the reason why I want to do this speed typing test is that this website will offer you a free certificate after you complete this task. The reason why you will need a typing certificate is that it will boost your income and your earnings rates per page, and this is the ultimate secret because even if you are a complete newbie, with this certificate you can get paid at higher rates and get unlimited jobs opportunities. So once again, you need to keep watching to see exactly how to get the certificate and how to complete your application on talentwizard.com. This website can calculate your typing rate and typing accuracy, and your accuracy should be within the range of 98% to 99.99%. The higher your accuracy, the more money you can make. If your speed is slower or if your accuracy is lower than 98%, you can always go back to the website datatype.com and retake the typing test for 100% free until you get a higher speed or higher accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your result, you can scroll down below and sign up for a free account on Datatype using this link shown here. Just enter your name, email address, password and agree to the terms and conditions. After signing up for a free account, come over to Datatype and log in to check the results, typing speeds and the accuracy. And when you scroll down a bit, you can see the certificate. This certificate right here is very good for you and you can get paid much higher rate. Keep watching because I will show you how to sign up and how to register and apply for a typing job on talentwizard.com, where you can earn $15 over and over again for projects like this one right here. Now when you scroll down below, you can click on this pin button. You can do this using your computer or using your mobile phone as well. You just have to save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Right here is my actual certificate that I got from my Data Type website. You can begin to apply for a job at Talent Desire once you get a certificate just like this. So we are going to go over to talentdesire.com, and I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website, and I want to click on this red button which says apply now. And then you will come over on this page where you can start applying for your job. But please pay very close attention and watch the video until the very end, because the registration page on here is quite tricky and hard to find. You might get lost along the way or fail to find the registration page if you don't watch this part carefully. Now once you land on this page, just scroll down below and you can see here select an application. Click on this red link, and after that you are going to come over to this page where you can see an online application for work at home jobs. I want to scroll down below and look for this small red link right here which says fill in your details to apply and work with us. You can see here the registration page is the very heading on the website. If you can't find the registration page, make sure you retouch the video, or you can bookmark or save this video on your playlist and rewatch your video again. When you scroll down on the page, you can see that you need to fill in your personal information. The first thing you have to do is to click on this accept and privacy policy. Then enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your contact numbers, and also your country. Then click on the down arrow and you can see that they are accepting people from all over the world, including countries like India, Philippines, United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, and the United Kingdom, and other countries. The next step is all about your personal information, and it's a very important section, so pay attention here to avoid any mistake. Now I want you to type in the job title section, which is professional data, whatever time you want, but I want you to choose all day because that's going to give you more opportunities and more jobs, meaning that you can earn more money online. Then choose your best way to receive your earnings. Click on the down arrow here, wire transfer, direct deposit, or any other payment options. Scroll down below to choose your current professional status. You can also choose any of the status right here. So in this case I just choose self-employed, and once if you filled out all of the details, you can then proceed and click yes. I have read and accepted the above statement, and also don't forget your signature. Just put in your full name right here and click on I'm not a robot. After that just click on the submit button, as simple as that. Once you are accepted, you are receiving the typing name jobs just like this. In one page you can earn $20 just for 300 words, and then for the second page you can earn $20. For the third page another $20. You can earn $20 over and over again for a single page that you type. And also to keep getting a lot more daily jobs, remember to submit them on time. And that's it. Do you want to learn how to earn money online by the simple way by copy and pasting? Click right here.